Arctic wolves are white and furry.
It's
They come
supposed
from
to be a
very cold
chicken
Queen
sound.
Elizabeth's Islands in northern Canada. Because they keep having babies with dogs, Arctic wolves appear to be
Good
getting
morning,
smaller over time.
friends!
Here's what they
Lalabas
sound
na ako mag-work. Iwanan ko na sila. Bye guys! See you later! Enjoy your wolf sound.
Just wants to go outside. I think Andrew does too.
You wanna go outside too?
I think everybody.
Everybody will go outside? Okay, let's go. Ako ay mag-work na, magpapak na ng mga orders, and then now the kids wants to play outside. Taglamig na, napakalamig na. So, yung costume nila, ginagawa nilang jacket. Enjoy nila. Para naman hindi lang daw once a year magamit. So, mamaya pa kami mag-trick or treat. Pero suot na nila yung kanilang mga costume. Too excited. Go dance, dance. Ando na. Da-da-da-da. Dance, dance. Halukas na. Dan-dan-dan. Dance, dance. Chicks na. Dan-dan-dan. 1, 2, 3. Dance, dance. Halukas na. Da-da-da-da. Dance, dance. Ando na. Oh, the chicken's coming. Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Why are you running? Ngayong araw is Halloween day. So mamayang gabi magti-trick or treat kami ng mga bata sa aming downtown area. Doon mag-e-enjoy sila. Kahit matanda na ako, excited ako. May costume din kami ni Ryan. Kasi parang it reminds me of Christmas in the Philippines. Basta mamaya explain ko yan pag trick or treat na. Pero sa ngayon, work muna tayo. Magpapack ako ng orders. And then, the plan is after magpack ng orders, maglilist ako ng mga picture frames. Ito. Ayan. Ayan yung mga ililist ko na nasa drafts ko na winwork na yan ng aking mga virtual assistant sa Pilipinas. Pero nasa drafts lang sila. Tapos kailangan ko i-double check at i-post na para mabenta na. Hi baby chicks. Hello baby chickens. Thank you for delivering my product. Yeah, come. Oh, you're so sweet. Why are you holding Andrew's hand? Because it's so cold. He's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy is raking. Napakalamig. Ito na ang taghulog. Taghulog. Anong taglagas? Taglamig, taglagas. Ayan, tignan niyo yung puno namin. Of course, no? Maganda tignan. Pero mahirap linisin. Kaya, madami-dami kaming crunchy na leaves na kailangang i-rake. Ayan, maganda naman, di ba? Kulay oranges ang aming mga dahon-dahon. Okay, so, eto na yung mga na-pull out ko na ipapak. Ito, nakabenta ako ng Harry Potter na mga pin. Tapos itong Christmas na laruan, Santa Jack. 6 na tea lights. Nakabenta ko ng isang pillow, isang damit, 3 anong tawag dyan, ilaw. Tapos isang tablecloth. Tapos nga pala, ito nga pala yung mga bago kong product. Ano to, mga bucket hat. Perfect timing siya. Ayan, ganyan, bucket hat. Meron akong 3 boxes, dumating na siya from China. In order ko to 3 months ago pa. So, ayan, ililist ko siya today para mabenta na dahil perfect siya sa panahon. Pero hindi pa ako sure kung magkano ko siya ibebenta. If you were to buy this product, how much are you willing to pay for this bucket hat? Maganda naman siya. I think it's warming. So, nako-cover yung tenga. So, tapos ano pa, medyo fashionable pa, diba? Hindi lang siya basta yung hat na parang mga bonnet. I have like 5 different colors, tas 2 style siya. Yung isa, hindi siya parang flower na ganyan. Ano lang siya, straight lang. Kung nasa US kayo at interesado din kayong bumili, hanapin nyo yung listing ko. Nasa description ng video na ito at ng lahat ng video ko, yung eBay store ko. So, ililist ko siya. Makikita nyo na pwede kayong bumili. Pero yun nga, tignan ko muna. If you were to buy this product, magkano ang willing ninyong ibayad? Okay? Paki-comment naman. O kahit nasa Pilipinas, magkano ang willing nyong ibayad? Kung bibili kayo ng bucket hat na ganito, medyo makapal siya. So, magkano tingin nyo ang reasonable na presyo? Let me know sa comment section below. Magpapak na ako. Kailangan ko palang mag-gloves kasi sobrang malamig. Tapos yung skin ko para siyang dry. Medyo masakit kapag ka nagka-crack siya or nagkagasgas siya dun sa gilid ng mga boxes. Kasi nga dry na dry or nagda-dry. So, ayan. It's best na mag-gloves ako. Hi, Daddy. What's up? You miss me already? I'm vlogging. Rated SPG. Tatlong boxes lang ang aming isi-ship today. At saka isang bag. Ayan. I think that's about, I don't know, 30 orders. Mix na kasi yan ng eBay, Amazon at Walmart. So, ngayon, proceed na ako dun sa mga frames na aking tatrabahuhin. Manage drops. Ayan, makikita nyo, meron akong 200 na mga products na kailangang i-list. So, yung mga virtual assistant ko sa Pilipinas ang nag-list niyan. So, kailangan ko lang na physically i-check yung product kung tama yung details nila. And then, i-list ko. Number 239, 240, ayan. So, next na tayo sa 241. Ito yung 241. So, ito yan. 241. Ayan, makikita nyo. Tama naman yung picture. Tama yung label niya. Kapag yan pinicture ng photographer namin, tare photographer, ayan, may ruler na sa picture. So, makikita nung nag-list ko ano yung measurement niya. 1 pound. So, nakalist na siya. So, pwede ko na siyang ilagay sa next box. Natapos ko na yung isang box kanina. That's about 30 frames. Tapos, hindi ko na na-video, nalagay ko na siya doon. Ito na yung bago, pero hindi ko na yun matatapos. Ito yung natapos ko. Bukas itutuloy ko na lang siya ulit. And then, ngayon, tapos na akong mag-work. Kailangan ko nang mag-lunch ng mga bagets. Ayan. Yan, magla-lunch na kami para makapagpahinga ng konti. And then, pupunta kasi si Hubby sa bangko. So, he needs some time. And then, ayan, magpupunta na kami trick or treat. Habang nagtrabaho, napagod na, pero magpa-family time muna kami. Pupunta kami sa mga trick or treat events dito sa aming lugar. Madami kaming pagpipilian, pero pipiliin namin yung mga malalaking area para mas marami kaming makuhang candy. Dito sa US, ang paborito kong holiday ay ang Halloween party kasi parang it reminds me of Christmas in the Philippines. Ang Pasko kasi dito sa Amerika, napaka-boring. As in parang walang nangyayari. Kainan lang, tapos sarado pa yung mga mall, sarado lahat ng galaan kasi people celebrate Christmas with their families. So, kung para sa Pilipinas, pag Pasko, nalulungkot ako dito. Pero pag Halloween party, pag Halloween, trick or treat, Halloween party, it's very similar sa Pasko ng Pilipinas kasi kids are dressing up, of course costume, no? Hindi naman damit na ano lang. Parang sa Pilipinas din, pag Pasko, yung mga bata binagbibihis ng maganda, they're really excited and then they go out to collect gifts and stuff, right? Money. Dito din, yung mga bata, they prepare, they change, they wanna be, you know, like dress up with their Halloween costume, get candies, a lot of candies. So that's why this is my favorite time of the year in America, not Christmas. We are the chicken family. Hello.
Here we go.
So thank you. Hello. We are chicken family.
Hello, doing good.
Baby chicken. Maybe that's underwater. Tell him to get the candy. Hello. Thank you. Hi, Lila. my god, there's a lot of them. Yeah, I take a class. Oh, it's moving. What's that? Where's the face? Where's your face? No face?
I know, but it's the whole family. That's what I'm so in love with.
Thank you. Oh, we should have a picture here, Daddy. Tiny chick chick. Thank you. Andrew. Happy? No? Can I see your candy? Where's your candy? There.
He wants to eat one.
Oh, the chicken is hungry. You can put everything in Lucas' bag. Trix is hungry. Bye.
You're pretty mom.
My hair is long. We are the chicken family. Okay, so tapos na kaming mag-trick or treat. Napagod kami maglakad pero nag-enjoy ang mga bata. Napuno nila ng candy ang kanilang basket. Lucas, it's now the beginning of the fight between Mommy and Lucas about not eating or eating the candy. I don't know why we even help him getting all
You're
this
the one
candy.
that wanted to do it. I was like, I was saying like, yes, his teeth are in bad shape enough already. Like, we shouldn't go trick-or-treating or...
It's the experience.
I know.
I wish they're just giving away toys, not candies, but you know, look at our costume. We are the chicken family.
It's too hot for me to wear it now.
Everybody was like saying, oh, chicken family is so cute. But everybody's cute actually, especially the kids. And marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood sa aming trick or treat na video. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Sa muli, paki-like naman po ang aming video at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Till the next